Thailand's constitutional court suspends Prime Minister Paetongtarn Shinawatra as it goes over a dismissal case filed by senators over ethical violations and dishonesty. Ms. Paetongtarn has apologized and says she accepts that ruling. And for more on what all this could mean in Thailand for the broader political landscape, we're joined by Termsak Chalermpalanupap. He's a visiting senior fellow for the Thailand Studies program at ISEAS Yusof Ishak Institute. Thanks for joining us, Dr. Termsak. Now, earlier we spoke to our correspondent. Yes, he said this will be a stress test for the Thai democracy. But let's step away from the big picture for now and just look at what is going to be happening in the next few days, in the next few weeks. Who will be leading Thailand? Which party will be ruling the roost?
Well, we are waiting for the final ruling of the Constitutional Court. We expect the court to come up with a decision by 1 month time, I think, by early August. By then, we should know whether Mr. Paetongtarn can stay on as the Prime Minister of Thailand. If she is disqualified, and I believe she should be disqualified, then the whole cabinet will have to leave office, and then we will have to find a new Prime Minister again.
All right, but however this ruling by the Constitutional Court goes, we've got other legal challenges that Ms. Paetongtarn is facing. So potentially the Anti-Graft Commission, the Electoral Commission. She also is likely to face a vote of no confidence launched by her former coalition partner, the Bum Chai Thai Party. That's apart from street protests, 30,000, that's the estimate for over the last weekend. Outrage, unhappiness by the military wing in the Thai government. This ruling...
Well, certainly a lot of Thai people are unhappy, but protest leaders will wait for the outcome of the Constitutional Court ruling. In just 1 month, I think they can wait. And even though Ms. Paetongtarn could be disqualified, her Pheu Thai party still has the third candidate in the person of former Justice Minister Chaikasem Nittisiri. But he is 75 years old, and we don't know whether he physically fit enough to become the next Prime Minister after Ms. Paetongtarn disqualification. So that could happen. Suddenly, he showed that he is able to play golf, even though he dropped out from public view for 2 years since the general election. But anyway, that could happen. But I suspect that he might not be able to lead the government for long.
All right,
but eventually,
just a quick reminder,
we either need to dissolve the House.
Pardon me, just a reminder, Mr. Chaikasem was the third Pheu Thai prime ministerial candidate that was put forward in 2023. Yes. So in principle, he has his paperwork in place to take over. It was Mr. Seta, there was Ms. Paetongtarn, and then it was Mr. Chaikasem. He has the right
to be nominated, yes.
But you're saying that...
But it depends on whether he will get enough vote to win in the House. And in that way, the minor party will bargain for a lot of payback. And that could be trouble for Pheu Thai party.
All right, Pheu Thai party is very much linked to the Thaksin Shinawatra name. In fact, it's the third incarnation of Mr. Shinawatra's first party, considering it's met all these legal troubles and has had to form a new incarnations to address these legal problems. Could this new he will be 77 in August, this former Attorney General, Mr. Chaikasem, will he be able to shake off any difficulties associated with the Shinawatra name so that he might survive at least for a period of time as Prime Minister?
But before we go that far to Kun Chaikasem, we have to wait what will happen to Kun Thaksin Shinawatra this month. There are 2 cases against him going on this month in the Supreme Court inquiry about his hospital stay to avoid prison. And then there is another case involving violation of the lèse majesté law that he was accused of insulting the Thai monarchy. So there are 2 cases against Kun Thaksin this month, and there may be final verdict this month. So whatever happened to him, then if he go to jail, then I think Pheu Thai will not be able to continue.
All right. Earlier, our correspondent Saksit, he said this: woes are closing in on the Shinawatra family. Do you see this as the end game for the Shinawats?
I believe so, and I hope so. I think Thailand needs a better new start. We are experimenting with Thai parliamentary democracy for 93 years now, since the end of Siamese absolute monarchy on the 24th of June, 1932. So already 93 years, we are still struggling. I think it is time that we establish rule of law in our country so that we have clean government, honest politicians, highly qualified people to run government. Ms. Paetongtarn is facing so many accusations because she is not qualified.
All right, thanks for that. Dr. Termsak Chalermpalanupap, he's looking at what is really an inflection point. Many consider it so for Thailand. He's visiting senior fellow for the Thailand Studies program at the ISEAS Yusof Ishak Institute. Thank you.